following the walkout of 159 examiners from two centers where physics and agriculture papers were being marked after their pay was reduced from 1,500 shillings to 950 shillings per script just before the marking exercise began on December the 13th. UNEB's Principal Public Relations Officer, Jennifer Kalule Musamba, has reassured the public that the marking of examinations is proceeding smoothly without any hindrances. She confirmed that the marking process is expected to be completed within the anticipated time frame.
Yes, it is going to, we are going to be well. Because if we needed to get more examiners, because we trained more examiners, by the way, and we did not invite all of them. So if need arises at some point in time, then we can always invite those whom we had trained.
She explained the different stages of the exam marking process, highlighting the point at which the exams are handed over to the examiners. She also addressed the major challenge they faced: examiners' refusal to participate in the marking exercise due to the reduced payment rates, which led to 159 examiners walking out.
On the 13th, they were supposed to begin the actual marking. That was on last Friday. Now, at that point, we got some disagreements at two of our centers, where we had physics, theory, and then we also had agriculture, another center which had agriculture. The examiners, they were concerned about, having seen the workload which they're going to do, so they were concerned about the rate at which they were going to be paid. So we requested that those who wanted to leave would leave, and that is when now, started at around, I think, afternoon. By evening, 59 had left. That is for agriculture. We had invited 255 examiners, and 59 left. And then for physics, same thing happened. Physics is a large entry paper because it's more compulsory, so it's large entry and usually get a big number of examiners.
However, she emphasized that despite the minor setback, the board had already recruited additional examiners, surpassing the initial number, and that the remaining examiners were sufficient to carry out the marking process smoothly.
Usually, because we expect some eventualities, those who do not come, those who may fall sick, so we invite over and above what we actually need. So we had invited over and above what we needed. So afterwards, we did an assessment and established that actually the ones who are available can still do the work.
She also addressed the rumors alleging the examiners were marking 200 scripts a day, where she quelled them, stating that it was impossible to mark that number of scripts in a day, citing the number of scripts marked were less than that.
So what they are saying, first of all, they have been marking 200 scripts a day is not true, and it is not possible. Those examiners, we have them for 3 weeks, minimum 21 days. And the maximum numbers, because we pay them per script, those who have really done a good job, who mark so highly, they mark from about 700 to 800 scripts all over. So if these ones claim that they mark 200 scripts a day, it means they'll be staying around for just a week or so, which is not possible. On average, they mark about 30 to 40 scripts on average per person per day.
Ms. Kalule also mentioned that the marking of the new curriculum examinations was so far going on well, stating that retooling was done for proper marking, and concluded that the board is committed to providing the best.
All has been good, because I've been to the centers, and they are going on quite well. They are doing quite well. They are not really, because we did retooling. We did train the examiners who are going to be training, who are going to be marking. Now these days they call it scoring for the new curriculum. So we took them through a retooling exercise to help them move from the old way of marking to the new way of marking.
A total of 379,620 candidates registered for the UCE examinations this year, comprising both the new lower secondary school curriculum and transitional examinations under the old curriculum. Of these, over 10,143 candidates sat for the transitional exams under the old curriculum, while 369,477 candidates sat as pioneers of the new curriculum. Hope Nyongereza, Church of Uganda Family TV, News at 8.